So for this unboxing, I've got some really cute Wangxian minifigures. If you don't know, that would be Wangxian and Lan Wangji from hit Chinese series MDZS. Again, don't know exactly how to say it, but MDZS, the Grandmaster of Demonic Cultivation, is kind of its English title. And then there was also the live action series, the Untamed is what it's called in English. Which is adapted from the novels. A lot of changes were made, but same general idea and the same main characters. Anyways, point is, I got some minifigures of the two main characters from that series, and they're very cute, so I'm excited to open them up. Alright, I'm back with another unboxing today, and this time it's a figure set of Wangxian. From MDZS, 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 I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but that's not the point. The point is, they are here, and they are so cute. So there's, you can tell based on what you can see from the front, but there's actually two different ways to display them. They have a regular base, or you can display them inside the bamboo. See, here they are close in the box. I feel like I did get another figure set of Wangxian, and I feel like that one also had the issue where the back of the inside of the box is just it's not actually connected to the back, it's leaning forward, which I don't actually care about because I don't display things in their boxes anyway. But it was just something kind of interesting that I noticed. It's by the same company, actually. I don't remember the name, but what was the thing? But let's open this up. Oh, they're like little cards. Just little cards that come with it. I'm not sure if it's just one thick card or multiple thin ones. Well, I guess I can check right now. It's not the more exciting part of the unboxing, but I am curious. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's just a thick card. That's cute. Might as well open the other one. Cute. Might be able to use this as a backdrop. We'll see. Okay. Right here's the bamboo. I think both of them are the same. Yeah, they look the same to me, so I don't think it matters which one goes in which. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, he's so cute! Look at him. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to display them on their regular bases right here, or if I want to display them in the bamboo. Have not decided. Oh, of course, can't forget the bunnies that they come with. The bunnies. Look. It's got a little bow. So cute. Oh. Oops. It does look like, based on the little cards that they come with, looks like maybe it's easier to display the bunnies if you have the figures in the bamboo. But on the other hand, you see less of the actual figures if they're in the bamboo. So, well, I'm gonna try displaying them both ways and see which one I prefer. Here we go. Ugh, they're both so adorable. So I'm gonna try on the regular base. Okay, it looks like it kind of just, it's not a tight fit. See, like it goes like in and off. It's very loosely fitting. In fact, it's so loosely fitting. Can you even display it? Did they get mixed up? I'm missing something. No, that looks like all the pieces. It's just me, or... Oh wait, this seems like this might be more... a better fit. Okay, yeah, that goes on. That is actually a tight fit. And it looks so cute! Oh my god. Yeah, I guess the bunnies would just kind of sit on the base. Kind of like this. Oh, that is adorable. That is actually adorable. But the only problem is, like I said, I don't know if you can see in the video, but the peg is pretty small, and then the hole on the foot is pretty large, so it just, it's not a tight fit at all. And he's actually, like he's falling backwards because it's only sort of holding him. Even on the ground, like he's sort of standing up, but he's facing upwards because the figure's leaning back because the peg is not actually, he's not secured on his base. It's a bit of a balancing act. So that's a little concerning. I don't think I can actually display them on their regular bases if this isn't going to hold him properly. So I guess maybe that makes my choice really easy. Let's see. Or I could do, like, maybe I could do Wei Ying on his base, and then Nanjian in the bamboo. I don't know. Let's just try them both in the bamboo. Let's see, what did the card said? Oh, he goes on the head? Oh wait, how does that work? Oh, there's a magnet. Oh, okay, cool. It's really cute in there. Let's see. Okay. Really cute, but there we go. And he's gonna go. Wait, does his hair go inside? Or would it go on the outside? I think he fits better if the hair is on the outside than if it's on the inside. Yeah, I think it is supposed to be like this. No? No, maybe not, because the hand is supposed to be touching. Okay, so I'll just put the bunny there. And then, oh yeah, like that. goes like that. This is really cute. Look at them. Yeah, I guess I'll display them in the bamboo, I suppose. Either that or I'll just do Wangxian in the bamboo like I said before. I'll have to do a bit more testing with my setup in my room to see what I like best. They're so adorable though. I love how the bunny hangs off his head. It's so cute.